Welcome to Max class. In this class, we learn about geometry. Geometry means the measurement of the earth. It includes the study of the properties of shapes and its measures. In ancient days, geometry was developed for the practical purpose of construction, surveying, and various crafts. Geometry originated from two Greek words, geo meaning earth and metron meaning measure. Geometry means earth measure. Around 600 BC, Thales of Miletus was the first to use deductive methods to develop geometric concepts. The Greek mathematician Pythagoras continued the systematic development of geometry. Nature evolves out of simple geometrical shapes and patterns from tiny atoms to huge galaxies. The objects that we see in our environment have an impact of geometrical ideas. This is the natural geometric masterpieces. Hexagon in honeycomb. An appealing appearance of houses and buildings are made possible by geometrical thinking. Vehicles like car, bus are designed using geometrical concepts. The toys that we play with, the tools like pencil, scale, and book that we use with give rise to geometrical ideas and shapes. Only one line. What shape can be drawn with only one line? The line may be standing, upright, lying flat, or slanting. Perhaps it can be slant left or slant right. It may be long or short. Only two lines. What shapes can you draw with only two lines? The following forms are possible with two lines. In mathematics, every thinking is interesting and unlimited. Remember numbers. It is not stopped with adding two digits. Numbers go on endlessly and it is possible to add any two numbers. It is the same with shapes too. We are interested in lines, triangles, rectangles, and in whatever the shapes may be and the size, however large or small. Describing lines. A line can be long or short. A line can be flat or slant or vertical. If a line is rotated in any direction, it remains to be a line. Line segment. A line that is short and ends on both sides. That we call it as a line segment and name both of its ends with letters as shown in this figure. This is the line segment AB, PQ and CD. We usually use capital letters to denote the ends of the line segment. A line segment is denoted by AB. We can measure its length given two line segments. We can compare their lengths and say which is shorter and which is longer. Now I am going to explain about construction of line segment. For example, before that we learn to measure line segments using the ruler. This is the correct way of viewing the scale. This is the correct eye position of viewing the scale. For example, with the help of a ruler and canvas, draw a line segment PQ equal to 5.5 cm. Step 1. Draw a line L and mark a point P on it. Step 2. Measure 5.5 cm using compass, placing the pointer at 0 and the pencil pointer at 5.5 cm. Step 3. Place the pointer of the compass at P, then draw a small arc on the line L with a pencil pointer. It cuts the line L at a point and name that point as Q. Now, PQ is the required line segment of length 5.5 cm. Two lines. Lines that go on forever on either side without meeting each other, that is, they have a constant distance between, are called parallel lines. Here L1 and L2 are called intersecting lines. The position O at which the line segments AB and CD meet is called the point of intersection. Rays. Lines that end on one side but proceed indefinitely on the other side. We call them rays. They are denoted by AB, PQ, MN, etc. The fixed end point of a ray is called the starting point. Two rays. With two rays, we have more to learn. They can be parallel or intersecting. Two rays may have the same starting point. Students, I hope you have understood the topic geometry. Thank you.